Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about sports. Listen and learn with me. Soccer, football. In soccer, players kick a ball and try to score goals. Basketball. In basketball, players throw the ball into a basket. Tennis. In tennis, players hit a ball over a net. Volleyball. In volleyball, players hit the ball with their hands over a net. Baseball. In baseball, players hit the ball and run around bases. Swimming. In swimming, people move through water. Running. Running is moving fast with your feet. Cycling. In cycling, people ride bicycles. Badminton. In badminton, players hit a shuttlecock with rackets. Table tennis. Ping pong. In table tennis, players hit a small ball on a table. Boxing. In boxing, two people wear gloves and fight with hands. Karate. Karate is a sport where people use hands and feet to fight. Skiing. In skiing, people move on snow using skis. Ice skating. In ice skating, people move on ice with skates. Surfing. In surfing, people ride waves on a board. Golf. In golf, players hit a small ball into holes. Cricket. In cricket, players hit a ball with a bat and run. Rugby. In rugby, players run with an oval ball and score points. Hockey. In hockey, players hit a puck or ball with sticks. Climbing. In climbing, people go up rocks or walls. Great job. Now you know 20 sports. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.